Dev is a UX designer, and he likes to prototype on paper. So Dev has created a order pizza application, and he thinks that the easiest way to make it interactive is to use Ramen.
So I'm going to start off by logging in and hitting create. Ask me to name my prototype, which I'm going to call pizza with a lot of Z's. I'm going to hit next, and it's going to ask me to add screens. So I'm going to do just that. I'm going to start by capturing the home button. It asks me to name the screen, so I'll call it home. Save and capture next screen. I'm going to move on to the order screen. We'll name it order. I'm going to capture the contact screen. Call it contact. And finally, the success screen. We're going to hit save and finish capturing, and it's going to give me instructions on how to set clickable areas. So we sort of just drag, and that if it's a little too big, we can always click the X button and reset. So we're just going to set these clickable areas, and when we're satisfied, we hit save screen, and it moves on to the next screen. If we mess up a lot, we can just hit clear screen and clear all the clickable areas. So this one goes on home, this one on the veggie button, the meat button, and then the contact button. And then home button, and a home button here. Okay, so the next step is to route these clickable areas. Basically, figure out where the destination screens are. So the home button should go to the home screen. The order pizza should go to the order screen. Contact should go to contact. Home goes to home. Veggie will go to our success screen, and so will meat. And contact, as always, will go to contact, and home will go to home. Okay.
Great. Now that Dev has created a prototype, he wants to test it out.
So I can try it now, and we can see how it works. So ordering a pizza, we can go to veggie, and we'll see we get a success. Contact goes to contact. Order pizza, contact will go to contact. So yeah, this prototype looks like it's working.
Now he could send this link to his friends to test out, but he has a better idea. He's going to create a task for his friends to do, and it also comes with a survey at the end so that he gets more structured feedback on his application.
So I'm going to locate the pizza app we just created. I'm going to add a task. We'll call it order a pizza. Description will be order a veggie or meat pizza. The start screen will be at home, and the end screen will be success.
Now, Dev can just send it to his friend, but instead he wants to also send it to the masses. This way he'll use Mechanical Turk to create many hits.
So we can enable Turk here. Ask me what I want to reward my users on completion. We'll give them $1 because we're feeling generous. And we'll have max participants, let's say like, I don't know, 3 people only. This will create the task, and now we can preview the task.
This is as if the same, if Dev sent it to his friend, this is what he would see, or the Mechanical Turkers would see.
So I'm going to pretend to be Dev's friend and hit next here. Okay, so we have this prototype. And we know we have to order a veggie or meat pizza. So we can go to order pizza. Maybe contact. Okay. Well, contact doesn't work. We gotta go somewhere else. I'm just gonna tap this area a bunch of times. Order a veggie pizza. Okay, so I did complete the task. Awesome. This leads us to, I guess, a questionnaire where we can answer how we feel about the general application. So I wasn't really familiar with what contact meant. And let's see, someone agree with all of these and disagree with this one. Submit. Thank you.
So the feedback has now been submitted, and Dev, the designer, wants to look at whether people submitted and tested out his app. He goes back into the app and logs in.
So I view tasks. Go to order pizza. This is our task that we had created. If we click view analytics, we see that one person has completed this task, which was my friend. We can see the questionnaire results for this one person and see that he took 25 seconds to complete the task. Okay, and if we want to get a better idea of how he navigated through the app, we can select a screen and get sort of a touch distribution of where he placed his finger. So we can see he tapped a bunch of times in that wrong area, and that area is represented over here. If we go to order, you can see that he made a mistake by clicking contact, and this might be something we want to fix in our application. So yeah, that's our analytics.